Mukhang nagbasa to. Congressman Acop, si Congressman Acop tapos si Congressman Paduano.
May I ask the good lawyer representing the Department of Justice, when did he receive the invitation?
Our the department's legislative liaison office received it on 8:59 Friday, and then it was forwarded to us yesterday at around on or about 9 a.m. Mr. Chair, Ms. Representative Acop.
Yes, and you had time. I was listening to your discourse, and I think you have read the supposed draft bill with your uh, clarifications to be asked. So I'm just asking this question because you received the invitation February 9, just as the right time or the time also that the DILG representative received the invitation. Pero yung Department of Justice representative, nagawa niya yung trabaho niya eh. Samantalang yung Department of Interior and Local Government, he has no clue insofar as the issue at hand is concerned. Yun ang napansin ko lang, Mr. Chair. Kasi nabasa ko naman yung supposed draft bill, pati yung mga bills na kagaya ng in-author ni Honorable Gomez, may mga questions na tumatama yung Department of Justice representative. So I'm just quite surprised that DILG and the DOJ received the invitation the same time, pero yung DOJ representative nakagawa ng kanilang comments and questions to be asked insofar as the provisions and the supposed draft bill are concerned. Yung DILG has no clue. So, yun lang ang aking observation na Mr. Chair. Kaya tama rin siguro yung mga pagtatanong ni Honorable Paduano kasi ako chairman din na isang committee, yan din ang napapansin ko sa aking mga committees. Paiba-iba yung dumarating, walang masabi yung ibang pinapadala, yung iba naman magsisik pa ng guidance. So I think, Mr. Chair, this has to be resolved. It is just an observation, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
We have to let them know, no? At least maganda yung naging observation, no, ni Congressman Paduano, no? And we have validated yung mga gantong situation. This will serve as a reminder to all the resource speakers that will be invited in this hearing, no? And to the following investigation, be prepared, no? Otherwise, nakakaya. Nakakaya po, hindi lamang po sa amin, nakakaya din sa inyo, nakakaya sa taong bayan dahil alam nyo, napapanood na tayo. Binapanood kayo dito lahat. Kaya pag pupunta kayo dito, siguraduhin nyo, prepare kayo. Otherwise, you will be put in shame. Unintentionally. Ha? Because lahat kami dito, nag-aaral kami, pinag-aaralan namin lahat ng aming pinag-discuss dito. And I hope that we are all government official. No? And for that matter, we have to be prepared. Sayang yung binabayad ng taong bayan sa atin. Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Chairman. This is just a rejoinder to the statement of manifestation being made by Chairman Acop. Well, in fact, I joined Chairman Acop, not supposedly that was something that was said. But again, I'd just like to commend the good representative from the DOJ. Kasi hearing from your initial, that is not yet final, di ba?
No, Representative.
Okay, tamo, initial pa lang. Anyway, yung mga questions of section 14 and 15, di ba? Yung question, parang hindi kakatugma. Di ba? Kasi yung isa, medyo contradicting, di ba? Now, but Mr. Chairman, I do understand that ang question kasi dito is all about the actual number of or units needed by the PNP vis-a-vis sa budget. Kasi as of now, but in fact, just for the information of everyone, during the last year's budget deliberation, the plenary is the one who stands and support the budget of the PNP and particularly to give full budget for that body-worn cameras. Kasi ito yung crucial eh. Nakita na namin to, Chairman Acop, Chairman Dan at saka yung mga members of this committee. Well, in fact, kahit sa almost hearing naman ng mga katawilian ng pulis, nandyan tayo eh. Diba? Now, this is very crucial and important for the PNP organization, especially when it comes to discipline. Kasi magiging deterrent to. Now, ang question kasi dyan, dun sa section 14 and 15, it's all about, I think it's all about, in my all humble understanding, but of course it has to be finalized and it has to be discussed during the TWG of the subcommittee, which is now chaired by Congressman Celso Rencia. Actually, ang consideration dyan is all about the budget siguro. Kasi I do not know, but I have to ask the PNP siguro after sa DOJ with regards to the budget that was approved. Kasi as far as I understand, yung question of the numbers, napakalayo po. 9,000 lang yung, that was 2017 ata, no? Insertion pa. No, that was not in the NEP, that was not the regular budget. Pinadala sa Congress, 9,000 units ata. Tapos out of the 9,000 units, ilan na lang yung operational. Tapos yung last year's budget deliberation, hindi ko pa po alam kung how much. But yung question of the DOJ, with regards to section 14 and 15, it is related, ma'am, to the availability. I think it's related to the availability of the body-worn cameras units that is needed and that is now available to the PNP. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.